Khomo ke modimo o nko metsi. In Sesotho culture, cows are seen as sacred. They give us life, food, and even wisdom in our sayings. But what does daily life with these animals really look like? Today I will introduce you to the cows and chickens that share our small farm here in Lesotho and provide us with constant and quality nutrition. But before we dive in, please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. This is Ts'itoe, the naughty mother of one who provides most of the milk that support us on the farm. This here is Ts'itoe's calf, Topi. Next is Dikwin, one of our gentle Frieslands. Chepa is 28 months and already strong enough to help in the field. These are Sebabatso and Pitso, our two remaining chickens. Sebabatso is the reliable one. Pitso crows proudly at sunrise. The cows graze until 5 p.m., eating cabbage, grass, mostly green plants really, and even peaches. They're milked twice a day at 6 a.m. and 5 p.m. On a good day, we get 10 liters in the morning and 6 liters in the evening, which we sell for 10 maludi or 10 rands a liter. Dad reinvests the milk money to buy feed and salt, which helps the cows drink more water and produce better milk. Ha le fete kgomo le je motho. Sesotho ha se tolokwe. But basically, cows can help you solve all your problems. Even the manure is gold for farming. We use it to fertilize our fields. The chickens eat maize that comes from our winter harvest. One cycle feeds another, from cows and chickens to milk and eggs that feed us daily. This is life on our farm in Lesotho, rooted in culture, sustained by animals. From Lesotho's mountains to your home, may your land always provide. Ke a leboha. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.